nyo, andun na eh.
Ha? Andyan? Andyan pa?
Oo.
Pasuyo nga. Okay.
Ay,
Akala ko hanggang ngayon tulog ka pa rin eh.
kayo, tulog. Tulog. Napakalamok.
Sabi malamok nga.
Kami dito sa ano.
May floating cottage.
Kain natin.
Ito sila. Ayun nga guys, full script na naman tayo dahil sa video natin dyan. Ayan, mukha kong dogong na naman sa mukha ko dyan. Sisid-sisid ko niya rin mukhang professional. Kahit di naman. Ayun nga, ayan, may binibidyohan ako kahit wala naman guys. Ayan, patuloy pa rin ako sa paglalangoy. Yun, tuwag ahong ko. Bumalik agad ako dun sa cottage kasi wala naman kural na makuhaan.
A few minutes later. Hour later. "24 hours later."
Oh shit, here we go again.
Hi guys, Batangas. Sila. Legit. Okay naman kayo. Memories lang sa atin vlog.
I go straight from the bank, gassing up the tank, cranking up the radio, playing old Hank. It ain't that long till I'm back at the farm. I'm pulling up the truck down at the dock. It's Time to do some cruising, baby, get a little stuck. It's a Saturday joyride. Percy Beach is the spot to take the blues away. We're on a boat, we're feeling fine. Drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. There's a party on the water, it's a hell of a time. We're on a boat, we're killing time. In our own honky-tonk with a bottle of wine. We're going up, we're coming down. Cheers to feeling alright, it's a hell of a time.
Okay, natapos naman ang isang araw dito natin sa Lian, Batangas. Nakita tayo muli bukas. Bye!